Let's learn how you can create RedNote application account on mobile. So here we have freshly new downloaded RedNote application, and let's open it. Now it will appear some interest. You can skip it and you will get this screen right here if you click on me, and you will see only login and other login methods. I will type on login, and now you will see here login with mobile number. The unregistered phone number will be automatically registered if login successfully. Now I have here one more Apple button, as you can see, and I can log in and create my account only with Apple ID. I will set agree and continue. I already created the account here. Now let's wait for sign in. And as you can see here, there is our new RedNote account. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.